Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram. You watching Research Rocks. In today's video, I'm giving you demonstration how to scan document without using any Chinese app. In this app is very helpful for Android and iOS devices. So first of all, I'm requesting you please remove this com scanner app. This app is relate to China, so I'm requesting all of you remove this app. Now you open your Play Store or iOS App Store and type here Office, and then first options are come here Microsoft Office. This app is a free available on Android and iOS devices. I already installed this app, but you can type here directly Microsoft Office or only Office, and first options are come. And then after installation, open this app. You can sign in with your email account here. Otherwise no need to sign in here. You just here showing plus options are come. You click there and one number options are notes, lens and documents. So I go with the lens. This is my document photo. First of all, select properly. So I select properly and look at this, such kind of features you are already using this Chinese app. So done. After done, you can apply some filters also. None, auto, black and white, grayscale. You can use this 5 to 6 features in this scanning app, and then you can add some text also here, whatever you want, hello, like this way, and you add those text which position you want. Select this text hello in backside. Otherwise you can add any text related this file, and done. So after done this position, right now I want to share this document with email or personal of my friend. Here options are come, then I click. So after you select this option, you can share whatever you want anywhere in this iMessenger, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, wherever you want. Share this document with the help of these options. It's very simple and helpful like this Chinese app. This one is a best application to scan the document, and you can sign in the here and store directly on your Google Drive all scanned documents. It's very useful, like look like you are already use some application like that way. And another example I'm giving you, suppose you have using in Android device, so simply Google Drive in your mobile devices. So open your Google Drive and then here addition options are come. You just click there. So here options are coming folder, upload and camera. Android device comes here as a scan options, and this options working like scanner, like, and then click there and scan the options. But this is iOS device, I can't scan this page, but you use in Android phone, so definitely you are helpful for this application. And this application default every Android devices, so you can use these apps also. So it's very helpful. So hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.